What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lee Vlogs. Today we're going to take the drone out for some first impressions, just to get a feel for it. It's been a little while since I've actually flown a drone, so we're going to go ahead and take that out, try some of the different modes, like follow me, all that different stuff. Hopefully you shoot some dope pictures for the IG. If you're not following, that's at bad_C7, BHAD_C7. But yeah, we're just going to have some fun with the drone. That's about it. Welcome to the vlog. Also, this is going to be the first video that we're shooting with the A6600 vlog style video, because we actually did the unboxing before with the A66, but this is the first actual vlog with the A66. Alright, we are ready to go. So if this is your first time at my channel, this is pretty much right here what my channel is centered around. My 2014 Corvette Stingray Z51 package. So far I've done wheels, tires, front lip, 2-inch American Racing headers, AFE, cold air intake, AWE exhaust. I added this spoiler as well. Let's see here. Anything else? Oh yeah, Lambo taillights. But yeah, this is pretty much what my car is centered around. Or sorry, my channel is centered around right here. So I'm gonna go and put you guys down for a cold start, and then we'll go from there. Good to go, good to go. Alright, can you guys see me? I think we're good. Hopefully the audio's okay. I don't know how this mic's gonna pick up the exhaust and my sound. I know my other camera, I couldn't fucking vlog inside the car at all with that mic on that camera, so hopefully this is okay. If not, we'll figure out something, maybe put an external mic on here somehow. But we got the drone, so we are ready to go there. Let's go ahead and find a nice open park and do some drone flying. Getting used to, having this big camera, definitely the weight difference, and not having a wide angle lens. Guys are gonna have to just bear with me a little bit. It's gonna be a little hectic at first. Also, I haven't adjusted any of the settings at all on this camera, so everything that you're seeing is just straight raw, straight out the box footage. So bear with me. Eventually we'll get the settings right, we'll get the angle right, we'll get the right lens. I can already tell right now I'm not liking this lens at all, and so we may have to shell out that $700 for the new lens, but we'll see what happens. So we're about a couple minutes from the park, and then we'll pull out the drone, see how that goes. But as of right now, I mean, I really got to stretch my arm out there to get at least a pretty decent wide angle. So yeah, I don't know. We need that 10 to 18. We need that 10 to 18. You guys got to motivate me to get that 10 to 18, all right? The boys balling out there. Okay. Yeah. And I really hope the audio's good. I really hope you guys can actually hear me and hear everything that I'm saying. We'll see. I'll pick you guys back up once we get to the park. Alright, so we just got to the park, and as you can see, there's like fences all around it. So we're gonna find somewhere else to go ahead and do this drone flying at, but these fences are a no-go. Yeah. locked up, there's no point. So yeah, we're gonna find another spot, bear with me. Alright, so didn't exactly find a park, but we found the next best thing, which is a dead end. Pretty much, yeah. It's on the outskirts of town right now. But this isn't too bad. Not too bad at all. In fact, this is probably better. So there's not so many people around. A lot of people get weirded out by drones and stuff like that. But yeah, this isn't not too bad at all. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is gonna take some getting used to without a wide angle lens. Oh yeah. Alright. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the drone up now. We're gonna go from there. Alright, got the drone here. I'm gonna see if we can get it to take off from the palm of my hand. Hopefully. That's what I used to do back in the day. See if I still got that. Okay. Put the bag right there. Pinch that. Good to go. Boom. Oh, nope. These first. There we go. I think I missed a sticker. Alright, she's pretty much ready to go. Let's go ahead and power on this remote. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it's on now. The drone is on. Everything's connected. Alright, go fly. Skip all that, don't show again. Let's take off. There she goes. Can you guys see it? Oh, okay, cool. Alright, so we're gonna switch to drone footage right about now. Alright, so first impressions. It's really, really good. Not gonna lie. Just as good as the last one, if not better. One thing I did notice is that these new Mavic Air 2s, they are super, super fast. Like, look at this. Hold on. Let's see if I can get it to in sport mode. Just look how fast this thing moves now. I don't remember them being this fast, like at all. Like yeah. They put like alien technology in this thing. Oh my god. It should not be that fast. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I got about 30% battery life on this thing. Let's see if I can do another flyby for you guys. Maybe a little lower. Let's try to go in here. Let's get nice and low. Albert come right at us. Alright, here we go, here we go. Holy fuck. I don't know. It's a lot faster than before, that's for sure. But hopefully you guys like that drone footage. This is all just test and play for right now. Yeah, Mavic Air 2. It's good. Smart remote. Pretty good. The connection, I didn't lose connection really at all. When it did notice that there was manned aircraft nearby, it seemed like my remote kind of would get fidgety a little bit. So I don't know if that's with the radar from those aircrafts interfering with this, but you know, who knows. But other than that, the Mavic Air 2 is very good. Let's go ahead and get her to land, huh? Put you guys over here. That's that. First flight with the Mavic Air 2. Success. Alright, so before we close out this vlog, some of you may be wondering, Lee, why did you buy another drone or another Mavic if your last one broke? So, the reason I bought another one is because my last one, it broke because it was my fault. So, when I was in the military, I went to a 2-month-long training in Southern California, and I left that drone in my car, like in my car in the parking lot. And by the time I actually got to it again and was able to fly it, it just had so many issues. I think it just, the gimbal cord, the actual cord that was that's attached to the gimbal, I feel like it got fried or something, but for whatever reason, it would not focus and the camera would just be boom, 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 like just jumping all over the place. So I had to get rid of it. But other than that, like prior to that, I had 0 issues. I never crashed it. It never had any malfunctions, 0 issues at all prior to me leaving it in my car for 2 months and during the summer in Southern California. So that is why I bought another one. They are reliable drones. I had a different brand drone, the Unique 4K, which is a massive drone. It's huge as fuck. And I crashed that drone so many times. It almost made me want to like quit buying drones at all. But then I gave the DJI Mavic, the original Mavic, a chance, and that drone impressed me like no other drone before that I've seen. And for the size and like how stable it is, like you can't beat it. You cannot beat it. So I mean, if you're gonna get into, if you want to do aerial photography or aerial videography, anything like that, like this is perfect. Like this is literally all you need. Just a Mavic Air 2. It's all you need. It is all you need. But yeah, that's why I got another drone. Alright, so with that being said, hopefully you guys like the new view from the new camera. I know this is going to be a work in progress. Like, we got to get a different lens for sure. We might have to go back to the 4K until we get another lens and just use this as like a sit-down camera for like shoe reviews and all kinds of stuff like that. We'll see. I got to look at this video and see how it turns out. But yeah, hopefully you guys like the first vlog with this camera. We'll get the settings right, we'll get everything right. Hopefully you guys like the drone footage. It's definitely a dope addition to the channel. But until next time, guys, Lee Vlogs out.